Welcome back, my friends, to Notsofast. This channel is all about helping real people save real money on their cars and avoiding the games that shops and companies use to drain your wallet. Usually I talk about repairs, tools, and car ownership, but today we are talking about something much more powerful. How I lowered my car insurance using ChatGPT and saved hundreds of dollars without switching companies or changing anything about my driving. This might be one of the most valuable videos I ever post. Let me say this right up front. I am not an insurance agent. I am not a lawyer. I am not someone with industry connections. I am just a regular person trying to survive these rising prices like everyone else. And if I can save money without losing coverage, I am going to do it, and so should you. This entire journey started one night when I opened my insurance bill. I drive a 2008 Cadillac Escalade and a 2010 Ford F-150. Both are older trucks, both liability only, no full coverage, no extras. And my monthly bill from my insurance company was $203.50 per month. That is $2,442 per year for two older vehicles that do not even get driven that much. Now, I am not going to say the real name of the insurance company because I do not need any extra problems in my life. So in this video, we will call them Connective Insurance. But believe me when I say this, you know exactly who I am talking about. So there I was staring at that bill thinking about how everyone uses ChatGPT for everything. People ask it about homework, business ideas, medical explanations, legal questions, taxes, recipes, relationship advice, even city questions. And then it hit me. If people use ChatGPT for every part of life, why can I not use it for something that actually costs me real money every single month? So I typed one simple question: how can I lower my car insurance rate? And that question changed everything. ChatGPT did not give me basic suggestions or generic tips. It gave me strategy. It gave me exact lines to say. It gave me exact questions to ask. And then it told me something I never expected. ChatGPT said, send me your declaration page, upload it in PDF form so I can read every line and tell you exactly what you are being charged for. So I downloaded my declaration page from Connective Insurance and uploaded the PDF straight into ChatGPT. And what I saw next blew me away. ChatGPT broke the entire thing down. Line by line, charge by charge, code by code. It found every mistake. It found every missing discount. It found coverage features I did not need. It found incorrect mileage. And it even found the exact date an old accident surcharge would drop off my policy even though the insurance company never told me. After reading everything, ChatGPT created a custom plan. Not a guess, not a generic list, a personalized step-by-step plan for my exact situation. And when I followed the plan, my bill dropped from $1,221 every 6 months down to $909 every 6 months. That is $312 saved every 6 months. That is $624 saved every year. Same cars, same coverage, same company. Only difference was that now I had the right information and I knew what to say. Before creating the script, ChatGPT asked me 7 questions. Question 1, what year, make, and model are your vehicles? Question 2, who is listed on your policy? Question 3, any accidents in the last 3 years? Question 4, how many miles do you actually drive per year? Question 5, what state do you live in? Question 6, do you have full coverage or liability only? Question 7, what is your current monthly payment? Once I answered these questions and uploaded the PDF, the real problems became clear. Problem 1, Connective Insurance had me rated at 10,000 to 12,000 miles per year, even though I drive less than 8,000. Mileage affects your rate more than most people realize. Problem 2, my uninsured and underinsured coverage was stacked. Stacked costs more money, and I did not need it. Problem 3, several discounts were missing even though I qualified for them. These included multi-car, homeowner, continuous coverage, EFT, paperless, and loyalty. Problem 4, my Escalade was in the wrong risk classification. It was rated like a high-risk SUV even though it is older and liability only. Problem 5, my accident surcharge was still active, but the company never told me when it would fall off. ChatGPT found the exact date, May 19th, 2026, and ChatGPT set reminders for me, one month before and one 2 days before the drop. Once all the mistakes were identified, ChatGPT gave me the exact script to use when calling Connective Insurance. Here's exactly what I said. Sentence 1, I need a full underwriting reevaluation on my policy. I am comparing my rate before deciding whether to move my vehicles to another insurer. Sentence 2, my actual annual mileage is under 8,000 miles. Please update both vehicles to low mileage or pleasure use. Sentence 3, I want to keep uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage but remove stacking. Sentence 4, please reapply all discounts manually and check if I qualify for any additional discounts. Sentence 5, I need the exact date my accident surcharge drops off the policy. Sentence 6, my Escalade is being rated too high. Before I move it, please re-rate the vehicle using all available classifications. Sentence 7, I am not looking for courtesy changes. I want the full underwriting re-rate. Give me the lowest possible premium. Then I stayed silent. Silence makes them work. After they applied all the corrections, my bill dropped from $1,221 every 6 months down to $909 every 6 months. That alone saves me $312 every 6 months, which is $624 every single year, without changing anything about my driving or my vehicles. And it gets better. When my accident surcharge drops on May 19th, 2026, I will save another $317 every 6 months. That is around $600 to $720 every year. Add it all together, and that is well over $1,200 in total yearly savings, all from one conversation and a few smart questions. Once that surcharge falls off, my total monthly cost for both vehicles should land somewhere between $75 and $95 per month. 2 vehicles, older, low mileage, simple corrections that Connective Insurance never bothered to update until I used the right script. That is the power of information. Now, here is your step-by-step checklist. Step 1, go on ChatGPT and type, how can I lower my car insurance rate? Step 2, get your declaration page in PDF form. Step 3, upload your PDF into ChatGPT so it can review it line by line and explain every charge. Step 4, answer the 7 questions so ChatGPT can build your custom plan. Step 5, use the call script exactly as ChatGPT gives it to you. Step 6. Do not approve anything until the company re-rates your entire policy from top to bottom. After you get off the phone, send your new declaration page to ChatGPT. It will tell you if you received a real discount or if the company only threw you a small number to get rid of you. If the discount is solid, you are done. But if they were playing games, ChatGPT will rewrite a stronger script and tell you exactly who to speak with at a higher level. This is exactly what happened to me. The first time I called Connective Insurance, they only gave me a tiny discount. ChatGPT said, we can do better than that. And the rest is history. It feels like having a brother high in the insurance industry watching your back. Insurance companies do not update mileage on their own. They do not remove stacking. They do not refresh discounts. They do not correct classification mistakes. They let the old information carry over and you keep paying more. And most drivers never realize it because no one ever shows them what is hiding on that declaration page. When you finally see the truth and you understand how the system works, you start to realize how much money you were giving away simply because you were never taught how to fight back. That is why I created this channel, to protect regular drivers from getting overcharged and taken advantage of. And if this video helped you save money or opened your eyes to something new, remember there is a thanks button at the lower right. Every contribution helps keep this mission alive and keeps new content coming for the people who need it most. If you want more money-saving warrior content, hit that thanks button and help support this fight. Because here's the truth. Once you learn how this game works, you cannot unsee it. You start asking smarter questions. You stop accepting lazy answers. And you realize these companies count on you not knowing your own power. The moment you decide to take control, the entire conversation shifts in your favor. All you need is the confidence to say, hold on, not so fast. We are not moving forward until everything makes sense to me. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe. Okay, Until then, I will see you at my next video.